Welcome to DigiPath50+. This video is part of Step 3 Email and Communication Tools. In this video, we will practice one simple communication action: reading a message and sending a clear reply. You do not need to write a long message. You do not need to answer quickly. You only need to read carefully, write clearly, and check before sending. Let us use one simple example. You receive a message from a course organizer. The message says, "Hello, can you confirm that you will attend tomorrow's session?" First, check who sent the message. Look at the sender name. If the sender looks familiar and the message makes sense, you can continue. Now, read the message slowly. Ask yourself, what is this person asking me? In this example, the person is asking you to confirm attendance. So your reply can be short. You can write, "Yes, I confirm. Thank you." This is enough. A good reply does not need to be long. It only needs to answer the message clearly. Before you send, pause. Check the recipient. Are you sending the reply to the right person? Then read your message once more. Ask yourself, is this message clear? Did I answer the question? Is there anything I want to change? If everything looks correct, you can send it. If something feels unclear, you can wait, check again, or ask for help. You are in control. Let us repeat the simple pattern. Open the message. Read what is being asked. Write a short reply. Check the recipient. Read your message once, then send only when ready. After watching this video, practice with one simple message. Use a safe and familiar message. Write a short reply. Check who will receive it. Then decide if you're ready to send. Take your time. One clear reply is enough.